I noticed you have tattoos.
Yeah, just a few.
What was your first tattoo?
First tattoo, it was one on my leg. It was like a musical note I got when I was 18. It's kind of stupid.
So that when you turned 18, that was like, I'm going to go get a tattoo.
Yeah.
Yeah. I did the same thing.
Did you?
I got a star on my back. That was like, I turned
Nautical
18.
star?
Yeah. I got a star and I was like, I'm turning 18. I'm getting a star. So I got a tattoo and then I got my tongue pierced.
Oh.
So that was, and I was like, I thought it was so cool.
Rebel.
Like, yeah.
I had my lip pierced when I was in high school.
Yeah.
Yeah. I was an emo kid. Were you an emo kid?
Were you?
Not really emo. I had my eyebrows. I had my eyebrows and then my ears. I had big old earrings like hanging down.
Oh yeah.
And then
Big old gauges.
Yeah. I had the gauges.
Barbells.
Oh, you had barbells?
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah. I was a super emo kid. I was in a band back in high school, played guitar. And, I just always liked tattoos. I always wanted to be the cool punk rock kid in high school. So yeah, first thing when I turned 18, got my tattoo. And then it's obviously very addicting, as you can imagine.
Yeah.
And you just go from one to the next, and yeah, it's hard to stop.